how to create Slack account. So if you want to create a Slack account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, and here you need to search for Slack. After searching, you need to go and install the application. So it might take a few seconds to download and install. So you just need to simply go with install, and it will start the installing process. After installing, tap on open. After opening, now you need to go with go on, which is on the bottom. Skip the intro. And now you can continue with your Google, email, or Workspace URL. So if you want to create a Slack account, then you can also continue with your Google. So I'll just simply go with continue with Google and choose a Google account. And after that, tap on continue, which is on the bottom, and tap on create a workspace and enter your company or your team name. And after that, you can share a link to invite your teammates or add from your contacts or add by email. So I'll just simply go and add a person. Tap on invite and tap on send. That's it. Now you can go with next. And what's a project your team is working on? So enter the information, tap on next, and that's it. Now you can tap on see your channel in Slack. And if you want to turn on the notifications, you can go and turn it on. And that's it. Your account has been created. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.